In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to group two images in Microsoft Word. This is perfect if you want to move, resize or format pictures together without losing alignment. So let's get started. So let's open the Microsoft Word first and then head to the insert and click on the picture, click on this device and select the images you want to group it. Click insert and paste it. Now drag it to make it resize the both images. So once you are happy with the size and placement, then you have to select the first image and right click and click the wrap text and click in front of text or square. So click on in front of text and now click on the second image and do the same thing. Go to the wrap text and click in front of text. And now you can see that both images are easily moving. Now, now hold the shift key and select the both images and then right click and click on the group. And now you can see both images are grouped and you can move it easily and even you can resize it or even you can rotate it as per your need. So if you want to ungroup that, then again right click and now group and click on ungroup. And now you can see that the both images are ungrouped. So this way you can easily group two images in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.